Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In this one I'll be showing you how you can pass no internet connection error on your Steam. The first step is going into Steam and settings and go to downloads. You can then scroll down until you find this cache and you can select clear cache and then click on confirm. After selecting confirm, it will clear the cache and it will close your Steam app. And then you wanna relaunch Steam again. And after relaunching it, you can check up on your progress towards the game that you want to get. If it still appears no internet connection, don't worry, we have a few options more that we can do and most likely they will fix it forever. So let's say that you still have the same problem. Next up, what you can do is that you can go in the search bar on your Windows or Mac and look for Windows PowerShell. Right click on that and select Run as Administrator. It will ask you for confirmation, and in here on the top field you want to copy this exact text. You want to copy this one or type it manually. So I'm highlighting it and then selecting right click and then copying it. I'm minimizing this text document and then pasting it inside of here, and then I press enter. Then it will ask you to press a number between 1 and 3 and you want to select number 1. So I'm pressing number 1 and selecting enter. After that you will see this message and it will ask you for your game ID, and you want to go in Steam right here in your library, find your game, right click on the game, select properties, then go to updates right here and you can see app ID right here. And you want to copy this app ID or type it manually in there and press enter. After that, your Steam app will close. It will take a few seconds to update. You can restart your PC and then relaunch it again. And this will guarantee that you're not going to have this internet connection problem.